Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a very fun and I think not too long DIY video for you. Because today I'm going to show you that you don't always have to use a product what it's meant for. You can use it in a lot of different ways. So I've got it on my table and I'm going to show you. So I've got this little box and as you can see the colors are not what it was anymore because it's very old. And this is what I paid for it. And what I'm going to do, I'm not going to use this as a box anymore. If I can put it on, no. Because I am going to make something out of the lid and something out of the box itself. And for the first DIY, I am going to start with the lid. So what I am going to do, I'm going to paint the whole thing black and then with my very strong glue, I have this very pretty Decor fabric and I thought it was so pretty, so I'm going to put that in here and then it's going to be some kind of nice tray you can put your little knickknacks in. So that's it for this first DIY. So for the box itself, I'm going to paint the whole thing in this very pretty petrol color. And after that, I have these lollipop sticks that I'm going to stack, I think, 3. And then I'm going to put them somewhere here and somewhere here. So you can put some little things on there. And then at the end, I've got some of my very pretty gold paint and I'm going to, I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I want to do something with it, so I will think of that when it's time and then this DIY is done. thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you liked this video. And if you liked it, please push the like button. You can also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. So today, you don't always have to use a product for its. I am going to paint it in this very brittle. I am going to paint this whole thing in this very brittle. Oh no, not again.